Hello people, how are you guys doing? Merry Christmas. So today another video or performance of Diana Ankudinova.
Yeah, and she sings at Bridge Charity Festival at Vegas City Hall. Not sure if it's Vegas in the US, but
I think it's Vegas from the country. So City Hall is the name.
Yeah.
Alright, so there's two songs that she sings to this charity, but we choose to we're going to react first
Blizzard.
The first one, and can't wait to hear it. Let's get started.
Shall we put it on the CC?
Yes, please.
Here we go.
Look at her outfit.
Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. Тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
That's Diana.
Definitely beautiful. It's I don't know, her deepness and her range is so still very impressive. So.
Yeah, and compliment to her outfit. I really love it. I love the combination, and it suits her very well. And with the singing, you know, how she sings. Just love her so much.
Definitely. Let's continue.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Самым белым вьюга где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзают снова я без тебя.
That was really beautiful. Love it. Tell us, guys, is this one of her songs of her new album? Really would like to know. I think so. We have.
Yeah, because there is a 9, right? That was 9 song, but we don't know if this one of the song. But I don't think so, because it seems that we heard this before Blizzard. I'm not sure, but looks the title is very familiar to me.
She's always singing about nature, so
And I
it's
love it.
Blizzard.
That's what I love it. When you think about calm, peace, and chill, tranquil. When I think about Diana's voice, it gives you that feeling.
Yeah, it's definitely you get into the sense of how you call this, tranquility and in touch with nature and everything around you, and it's she stands for it, and I love it. I think she's very into that, into nature preserving.
Yeah, and we just love how Diana is and her talent and how she grew out and how she give us joy.
Definitely. So
Thank
if you like our reaction, please give us a big thumbs up.
Yes, comment and stay tuned for the next one. We're
Into
going
the
to
Skies,
react
yeah.
Into the Skies.
All right. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Paka paka.